If Steam is giving you a corrupt disk error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 3 simple fixes that solve this problem for most Windows 11 users. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to repair your Steam library folder, clear the download cache, and verify your game files so you can get your games downloading and launching again. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is repair the Steam library folder. This is one of the most common fixes because it resets the folder permissions that can get blocked after a Windows update or a system change. To do this, open Steam and go to Settings. Once you're inside Settings, click on the Storage tab in the left sidebar. Here you'll see the drive where your game is installed. Find that storage location, then click the 3 dots next to the storage bar and choose Repair Library. When Windows asks for permission through the User Account Control prompt, click Yes. Steam will begin checking and repairing the library folder structure, so give it a few moments to finish. Once the process is complete, try restarting the download and see if the error is gone. If the problem still shows up, the next step is to clear the Steam download cache. Sometimes Steam gets stuck on a broken or corrupted temporary file, and that can cause the same download to fail over and over again. To fix that, go back into Steam settings and select Downloads. In this menu, look for the Clear Download Cache button and click it. Steam will show you a warning message, and when it does, click Confirm. Steam may restart automatically after this, and it will likely ask you to log back in. That is completely normal. This step clears out the broken download chunks and gives Steam a fresh start, which often solves corrupt disk errors right away. Now, if the error is happening with a game you already have installed or a game that downloads partway and then fails, the issue may be with the game files themselves. In that case, the third fix is to verify the integrity of the game files. Go to your Steam library and right-click the game that is giving you trouble. From the menu, choose Properties, then click Installed Files. You'll see an option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that, and Steam will compare your local files against the official files on its servers. If anything is damaged, missing, or corrupted, Steam will automatically re-download and replace those files for you. This is one of the best ways to fix broken game data without reinstalling the entire game. After you finish these steps, go back and test the game or restart the download. In many cases, one of these 3 fixes will completely solve the Steam corrupt disk error. If the problem was caused by permissions, the Repair Library option usually fixes it. If the problem was caused by bad temporary files, clearing the download cache helps. And if the issue was caused by corrupted game data, verifying the files is the best solution. I recommend trying the steps in the order I showed you because that gives you the fastest path to a fix with the least amount of hassle. And if this video saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because I post more simple tutorials that help you fix common PC and gaming problems fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.